Alright guys, in this video I will talk about Asus ROG Flow X13. So hey guys, I'm Ikhtier Ahmed and you are watching ARZONE. So if you don't subscribe this channel, please subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's begin. Asus ROG Flow X13. Its release date is 26th May 2021. Its dimensions is 15.75 into 299.40 into 222.90. Its weight is 1.3 kg. Its material is magnesium aluminum alloy. Its operating system is Windows 10. Its battery capacity is 62 watt-hour. Its display size is 13.40 inches. Refresh rate is 60 Hz. Its processor is AMD Ryzen 7 5800HS. Its RAM is 8 GB. Its graphics processor is NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1650. Its storage is 1 terabyte. Its Bluetooth version is 5.2. So that is the video. Subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon so that you can find these kinds of tech news at first. So see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye. And this is the video.